welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. Just putting a stick and a half of room temperature butter in my mixing bowl. Today we're going to make shortbread cookies. So that is, like I said, this is 6 ounces. A stick and a half will cover you right there, right about 6 ounces of butter, room temperature, mixing bowl. Got a half cup of sugar going right there. I've got an 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. That's one of these quarters right here, only half full. We're going to do very simple and quick here, folks. We're going to do a half teaspoon of vanilla, right? Looks good to me. And what else? What am I missing here? Oh, there we go. Cup and a half all-purpose flour. Right there. Right? Jack that into over there. I'm going to put the paddle attachment on our mixer. Thusly, in she goes. And, oh God, we're going to put that on low and mix this just till it comes together. Okay? And then we'll be right back. We'll roll this out on the counter, and I'll show you what we do next. Pretty easy. Okay, that looks good. We're going to come over to the counter, and I'll see you in just a second. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour right here on our countertop, just a little, like so. That'll do. La la la. We'll get our little bowl. I want a spatula and scrape this out. We'll scrape our little bowl of stuff out onto the flour. Get out of there, you little monkey. Smack. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. Now, just going to kind of work this a little bit here. Just a little bit extra flour into it, thusly. Now I'm going to shape it into a little ball, right? Thusly, I'm going to pat her out just a bit, like so. Now the magic, we are going to, oh, please let this work. Come out of there, you. All right, I think I got it. We're going to take some plastic wrap out of the plastic wrap thingy. Good, good, good. I'm going to wrap this little ball up, plastic wrap, thusly, into the fridge. 1/2 an hour, okay? I'll see you back here in a half an hour. Plop, we'll put him right up on the top there. Okay, folks, it's been a half an hour. Our dough is right here. Very nice, cool. I'm going to roll this out. Probably put a little bit of something. I'm going to roll this out into a nice, I don't know, maybe about 1/4 of an inch. You think kind of 1/4 of an inch thick seems to be about, I would say, about right for a shortbread cookie. That sound about good? We'll go right about there. I got this little circle cutter here, see? It's a little biscuit cutter. Don't tell anybody. Shh. I'm going to cut little circles out. They are going to go onto a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Baking sheet, right? You bet your bippy. It's like so. And around we go. Shortbread cookies. Yes. In fact, I think that can go over there a little more, and that over there a little more, and that over there a little bit more for Santa Claus. Thusly. And I can put 4 in a row that way, see? Looks pretty good. Well, maybe, just maybe, if I play my cards right, to and fro, I might be able to fit the rest of these on here. 2, yeah, maybe it'll work. Oh, that one's all out of shape now. It's all pissed off. Been out of shape cookie. Damn you, cookie. Yeah, there we go. We'll call that good. I managed to get 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I managed to get 24 cookies out of there, and I've just got this little bit of dough left here. Can I pack him in here somehow? I'm really pressing my luck now. There's the oven is up to 350 degrees. We're going to give it a go at baking all of these. Bacon, not bacon. Shortbread cookies. See? Now, give me just a second here. You go there. I've got a bench scraper, but using a spatula does just as good. If you're just wanting to scrape off a little bit of crap, I just scrape the flour up like this. Try to get it all to go into lefty here. Nice and easy like. See, look, you're going to get flour in your eyes, little one. You won't like that. Not too shabby looking. Right? You can see that. Right, these are going to go... Oh, wait a minute. I wanted to do something before I send them in. I want to get a little bit of sugar sprinkle over the top of each one of these here. A little bit of sugary sprinkles. That's a bit much on that one. Sugary sprinkles. Just kind of like what you're doing with sugar cookies. This is not a sugar cookie recipe. This is shortbread. My little baby loves soaking in bed. Cookies. Bam. Okay. Now, we've got sprinkles into the oven. These are going to go, folks, at 350 Fahrenheit, 23 minutes, okay? Or until they start getting a nice goldeny color and crispy. Let's see what we got. In you go. Center oven is fine. Right in the middle of the oven. Center oven is just fine. So, I'll see you when these come out and they get cooled off. It'll probably be another half hour or 45 minutes or something, but they got to cool off for the next thing I'm going to do. Okay? Okay, folks, here we go. They're all cooled off. I have melted down some chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to try to just kind of drizzle me from above some little chocolatey slathers up on here. May not be beautiful, but we'll see what we can get, right? Some of them splattered pretty far. Some of them didn't splatter at all. Pick that up. Put it somewhere else, man. There we're getting some cool shit. Making it look cool. I like that. No one cookie the same. That looks pretty good. A little bit for right there. I like that. Good. Now with the rest of this chocolate, I'm mixing peanuts in it. I want to make me some peanut clusters. over here, see? Well, there you go, folks. Shortbread cookies. And I, added a little chocolate slatherings to them there for you guys. So, hope you like this video. Continue to watch videos and subscribe, pass the word, share these videos, all that good stuff. Yeah. Thank you, new subscribers. Welcome aboard. And I guess I'm going to go out and drink beer in the beer blind now. It's like 70 degrees out there. It's beautiful. Going to be 60, I think 6 today. 67, somewhere like that. Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's going to be great. So, till the next time, folks, you know what to do. Peace out, people. Just peace out, okay? Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.